This 2005 GMC Sierra 1500 is located in St. Croix Falls and has 69,165 miles on it. This has a beautiful pewter exterior paint color which is complemented by an ebony interior color. This vehicle features 8-point compass, individual front seat climate controls, electrochromic interior rearview mirror, manual dual-zone climate control system, tilt steering wheel, and many other features. For more information on this great, please click the link to the right.